Hi, everyone. Welcome to Business 145, Business Communication. I'm so glad you made it through your last set of classes, and we've got another 8 weeks together. I'm Helen Panza, your instructor, and we are going to have some fun with communicating in this course. I'll give you some tips here on how to be successful in the class. Start early, get on top of those learnets. You know you can't do them in a day. Keep on top of learnets every single week. Every week, get into Yellow Dig 2 or 3 times a week and post your comments. I'll also be providing you with a spark every week in Yellow Dig for you to think about and comment on. But they're going to be fun sparks in this course. Our live sessions begin on Tuesday, May 23rd. Please try to come to our live sessions. They're going to be more important than ever in this class. They'll be highly participative. You'll be doing most of the talking, not me. And it's much easier when you're there, present in our live session, than to try to make it up. Making it up is a little more challenging in this class. Not only do you have to watch the recording, give a summary, but you have to do the speaking exercise that goes along with the live session. More on that later. Keep an eye on announcements. I'll be giving you important information about live sessions, times. We will be meeting on Tuesdays. There'll be 2 meetings, one in the morning, one in the afternoon or evening. You only need to attend one. What else can I tell you about this class? Hang in there with me. Come to that first live session. I'll give you more information. Welcome to Business Communication.